then. Who's that? Who's that? Who is it? What's that? What's snowman? What's that? It's a snowman. Who's that? What's he? Go find it. Come on. Where's the snowman? Who's that? Ooh, who's that? Who's that? Who is he? What's that? What's that? Who is he? Who's this? Snowman. Sniffing him. You got a carrot nose? Oh dear. Oh, Rupee. He's knocked his hat off. He eating the carrot. Oh, you got the carrot. You got his nose. Yes. Oh, Roo, you're funny. You're funny, Wooska. I'll leave my hat alone. Pure jokes. Eating the carrot. Good girl. You coming in then? Come in. Come on. Oh, no, that's my hat. Okay, you bring it in for me, alright? Good girl. Bring it in. Oh, careful, you can't see where you're going now. You've got a hat on your head. Thanks, Roo. That's my hat. What are you barking at me for? Come on. In. 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 Come on. Is that far as it's snowman? Oh dear. Come on in we go. Oh, there's snow in here. Oh dear.